How to use Google News like a pro. If you want to use Google News like a pro, now there are not much things that you can do within Google News on the web or both on the app, but there are a couple of things that we can customize. First of all, if you don't like a certain source from where you're receiving news from, you can choose to hide those sources. You can click on the settings icon from the top right hand side and go to settings over there. You can go to hidden sources and click on manage, and you can see it says you have not hidden any sources, but if you have, then you can go ahead and then add them and you'll be able to view them. You can also choose to enable a light theme or dark theme for Google News, and if you always want it to, let's say, have a system default, you can select system default. You can choose a temperature unit based on how temperature is measured within your region. If you click a Google profile photo, you will probably find any settings that is related to your Google account and not necessarily to Google News. But these are simply some of the ways that you can use Google News to your liking. You can also customize your topics by clicking on customize button and adding or disabling or rearranging some of these topics over here. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.